Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing BlackBerry KeyOne. Not this one. This one is an old one. So a BlackBerry KeyOne is a really nice flagship when it comes to my own kind of aspect, and the things which I think I have just to break it down because of tiny minimum things I saw on the phone. Now this kind of device, it's a premium device. First of all, I love the QWERTY keyboard, those kind of QWERTY things and feels, and it has even a fingerprint mounted on the space bar of the QWERTY keyboard. That seems to be so nice and naive, but on the other side it's like a pain and a knockoff and all that. So let us just get started here today. So yeah, that's what's up. So this kind of BlackBerry KeyOne has a 4GB of RAM. To my own kind of aspect, 4GB of RAM, it's really nice. Driving those applications, opening up here and there, it's really worth it. Another kind of stuff, it's an aluminum body, which to my own kind of aspect, I love aluminum body, and it has those kind of premium look. But if you don't have a cover on it, this is like a pain and a knockoff to you, because it's gonna get scratches. Now don't like hear a lot of flagship that it cannot get scratched since the display it's Corning Gorilla Glass 4. You just have to be careful with that, because scratches might come. It takes years, or it takes that kind of scratch. You drop up the phone and the phone directly just got a scratch. That's a scratch. Another kind of stuff which I think on the BlackBerry KeyOne, which is so great, is the 12 megapixel camera. Now I can complain a lot about the camera, but I can complain, and complain. Why? Because of exposure. Whenever you're opening up the camera does not settle, since it's finding that kind of amount of lightning on the camera. I think to my own kind of aspect, that's kind of thing which it's supposed to do, since if the lightning is too much, that means it's supposed to adjust its own self. Now I found it's not that much great, since it's running that kind of stock BlackBerry camera app. But if you install a Google camera, I think that's a resolver. Another kind of stuff which I like about the BlackBerry KeyOne, it's the sound. The sound in surround, it's so naive, and I like the speakers. The speakers underneath, but sometimes it's a knockoff, since when you just have it in the pocket, you can't hear that much of sound since the speakers are underneath. Another kind of stuff which I think to my own kind of aspect, it's so great, it's the front camera. The front camera gives you 8 megapixels. Wow, pay what you get. You remember that kind of philosophy we talked about. You pay what you get. So this is the BlackBerry KeyOne. Another kind of stuff, you get a 3500 mAh battery. To my own kind of aspect, 3500 mAh battery, it gives you almost like 1 day. But I mean, for that kind of premium person who is using it very much, you're using the phone to the maximum level, whereby your phone, it hits. It hits a lot. That's a problem with that. Another kind of stuff I like about the BlackBerry, it's the way it looks like. Well, it's premium. Well, it's QWERTY keyboard. Well, it has a fingerprint mounted on the spacebar. Well, it has 12 megapixel camera. Well, it has those all ingredients of the premium look. But whenever you're using a BlackBerry ecosystem, you must have a second device on you, because sometimes it's a knockoff, though it's using Android, which I thought that it's so great is the 4.5-inch display. Now 4.5-inch display, some of you guys, you're like, damn, I need a bigger display. Damn, I need 7-inch display. It's really worth it, since you are seeing a lot of the screen. It's like beyond the screen. But when it comes to BlackBerry, they're keeping it classic with that kind of display, something in the inches or something, which is so great. Another kind of stuff which I think it's so naive on the BlackBerry KeyOne is the charging. The charging uses a USB Type-C. Now you guys know that USB Type-C is something which it's newer, it's a fast charging on the device, it got those kind of premium look on the charging, and it has those kind of ingredients compared to the micro USB, which we have been using it for years and years. And I think to my own kind of aspect, that's a big kind of change on BlackBerry. Another kind of stuff which I like about the BlackBerry KeyOne, it's the back panel. Now the back panel, I can tell no difference with the older one, since that one has a grip and a rubber. They try to keep it like older look, but a little bit more modern. Now you can just compare this one with what am I even saying? You can compare even this one and the KeyOne, definitely. So the KeyOne has those kind of premium look, which they're so naive. I think to my own kind of aspect, the BlackBerry KeyOne, it's really worth it, and I give a scale of 5 or 7% scale, which is so great. And I think this is the device to go, but you must have a second device on you whenever you're using a BlackBerry. That's like an ecosystem which it's always there. So that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. You love this video today, throw that big thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, make sure you subscribe to your homeboy here. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay creative, stay positive, and peace.